Welcome back to Wings and Bibles. I'm Dustin, and today we'll be covering 3-1-4 Basic VFR Weather Minimums. No person may operate an aircraft under Basic VFR when the flight visibility is less or at a distance from clouds that is less than that prescribed for the corresponding altitude and class of airspace. See Table 3-1-1. Except as provided in 14 CFR Section 91-157, Special VFR weather minimums, no person may operate an aircraft beneath the ceiling under VFR within the lateral boundaries of controlled airspace designated to the surface for an airport when the ceiling is less than 1,000 feet. So first thing we have here is a basic VFR weather minimums table. So this first column is the type of airspace and what altitude. This next column is the flight visibility, and the last column is distance from clouds. So in the first row we have class alpha. So flight visibility and distance from clouds is not applicable because in class alpha you're only under IFR. In class bravo you have to have 3 statute miles visibility and be clear of clouds. In class Charlie it's 3 statute miles, and then the distance from clouds have to be 500 feet below, 1,000 feet above, and 2,000 feet horizontal. In class Delta, the flight visibility has to be 3 statute miles, 500 feet below the clouds, 1,000 feet above the clouds, and 2,000 feet horizontal to the clouds. Now, class Echo is split up into 2 groups. If you're less than 10,000 feet MSO, the visibility has to be 3 statute miles, and the cloud clearance is 500 feet below, 1,000 feet above, and 2,000 feet horizontal. Now, if you're at or above 10,000 feet MSO in class Echo, the flight visibility is increased to 5 statute miles, and then your cloud clearance is 1,000 feet below, 1,000 feet above, and 1 statute mile horizontal. In class Golf, 1,200 feet or less above the surface regardless of MSL altitude. For aircraft other than helicopters, so now we're only talking about aircraft other than helicopters, during the day, except as provided in 91-155 Bravo, the visibility is 1 statute mile and clear of clouds. For night, except as provided in 91-155, the visibility is increased to 3 statute miles, and the cloud clearance is 500 feet below, 1,000 feet above, and 2,000 feet horizontal. And these next rows are only for helicopters. And that is going to do it for this video on 3-1-4 Basic VFR Weather Minimums. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. See ya!